Hello everyone, welcome to evigyan. It's been a long time since I uploaded on this channel. Today, I'm starting a new series where we will learn physics from very basic in a simple and clear way. So let's start with a very basic question. When you hear the word physics, what comes to your mind? Equations, difficult formulas, confusing problems? If yes, you are not alone. For many students, physics begins with fear. Fear of mathematics, fear of abstract ideas, fear of not understanding what is really happening. But physics did not start like this. Before physics became equations and exams, before it became something to memorize, it started with curiosity about nature. People simply looked around and asked questions. Why do objects fall down? Why does sound travel? Why does light behave the way it does? Why does the sun rise every day? So physics began with questions, not formulas. Now think about the night sky. You see our galaxy, the Milky Way, which has billions of stars, and our sun is just one of them. And beyond our galaxy, there are billions of other galaxies spread across a huge universe. So the question is, what connects all of this? And the answer is the same force that keeps us on the earth, that is gravity. The force that makes an apple fall is the same force that keeps planets and galaxies in motion. That is one of the most beautiful ideas in physics. The same physical laws works everywhere in the universe. Actually, physics helps us understand this connection. It tells us that nature is not random. There is an order. There are patterns and laws. From the smallest particle of matter to the largest structure in space, the same rules apply. So what is physics? In simple word, physics is the study of how nature behaves. It tries to answer questions like why do objects move, what is energy, what is matter made of, how does light travel, what is time. These questions look simple, but they are very powerful. In this series of evigyan, we will start from the very beginning. We will build physics step by step, slowly and clearly. So if you feel physics is difficult, this series is meant for you. If you are curious about the world around you, about motion, light, sound, space and time, then you are already ready to learn physics. This is not the end. This is just the beginning of our journey into the world of physics. See you in the next video.